Let's get started. All Gila products provide style and performance. You can decide if you want good, better, or best heat rejection.
And they're backed by a manufacturer's 2 or 3 year limited warranty.
And they're made by the leading manufacturer and marketer of high-performance window tint, Eastman Performance Films. Gila Window Tint offers various shades, otherwise known as VLTs. Choose which shade works for you.
When selecting the Gila product right for your installation, keep in mind that 1 roll of Gila window tint should cover 2 sedan windows, and 1 roll of Gila truck and SUV window tint should cover 2 truck or SUV windows.
Be sure to purchase enough to cover the back windows because factory privacy glass doesn't perform as well as tint. Fast-track your installation with the Gila application kit that can help you complete the job with a professional look. A successful-looking installation starts with cleaning your windows in a dust-free area. Now you're ready to start your installation. Lay the tint on the outside of the window and trim 1 inch larger all around. Next, spray application solution on the inside of the window. Peel the liner and secure it against the inside of the window. Use your squeegee to push out excess application solution and air bubbles. Repeat these steps for each window. Strip installation is recommended for installation on car back glass.
Purchase one of the Gila rear window tint sizes to make this install easier.
Once you've completed the installation, step back and admire your work. For more information and additional installation videos, visit this website.